The first thing you eat in the morning can significantly impact your body's overall health. Some foods like citrus fruits, bananas and yogurt can fuel metabolism but can cause discomfort, irritation or long-term digestive issues. To maintain a healthy stomach, avoid certain foods and establish a morning ritual. This video explored some common foods to avoid during empty stomach. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits and lemons are known for their high vitamin C content and refreshing taste. However, when consumed on an empty stomach, they can have adverse effect on the digestive system. High citrus acid content can irritate the stomach lining, especially for those with acid reflux or gastritis. Additionally, the fructose content in citrus can cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels, disturbing energy levels. Soluble fiber like pectin can delay gastric emptying, leading to bloating. Bananas are a healthy breakfast option, but when consumed on an empty stomach, they can cause harm. They are packed with fructose and glucose, which can cause a sudden spike in blood sugar without accompanying protein or fat. Additionally, bananas have high magnesium content, which can cause an imbalance in the bloodstream, especially for those with heart conditions. Additionally, bananas' acidity can irritate to stomach lining, leading to discomfort or mild acid reflux. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can be delicious but can cause digestive issues when consumed alone. The capsaicin compound in spicy foods can irritate the stomach lining, leading to overproduction of gastric acid. Symptoms like heartburn, indigestion, or gastritis. Consuming spicy foods on an empty stomach can also stimulate gastric acid release, causing discomfort, bloating, cramping, nausea, and ulcer. Additionally, irritants like peppers can speed up food transit, causing diarrhea or abdominal pain. Raw vegetable. Raw vegetables are a popular choice for health-conscious individuals due to their high nutrient and fiber content. However, consuming raw vegetables on an empty stomach can cause digestive discomfort, bloating, gas, and cramping. The cellulose in raw vegetables is particularly difficult to digest due to lack of enzymes. Consuming raw vegetables on an empty stomach can also interfere with thyroid function by inhibiting the uptake of iodine, which is essential for thyroid health. Pastries and sugary foods. Pastries, when consumed without other food, can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin release and fatigue. High fat content in pastries, such as butter, shortening, or saturated fat oils, can slow digestion and cause sluggishness. Consuming pastries on an empty stomach can also lead to bloating and discomfort. Additionally, pastries often lack necessary nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, leading to unsatisfaction, overeating, and poor dietary choices. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a popular fruit due to their high content of tannic acid, which can irritate the stomach lining and cause heartburn or stomach ulcer. They also contain a high level of natural sugars like fructose, which can cause a minor spike in blood sugar when consumed on an empty stomach without fiber, protein, or fat. Additionally, tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant with numerous health benefits, but their absorption may be hindered by the lack of dietary fat. Coffee. Consuming coffee can cause various health issues, including increased uric acid secretion, which can irritate the stomach lining, leading to heartburn, acid reflux, and gastritis. It also triggers to release of cortisol, the body's stress hormone, which can cause anxiety and disrupt natural circadian rhythms. Coffee is also a diuretic, increasing urine production and promoting dehydration, especially when consumed without food or water. The dehydration can cause headache, dizziness, or fatigue. What do you prefer not to eat on an empty stomach? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.